Look what I found when I opened up this solar power light. The solar power light is actually defective. The wire came undone from this side of the battery right here. That's why it quit working. So a lot of times if you have a bad solar power light, I found that either the contacts are rusted on the inside, and on this one, the wire just came undone. It's a very useful piece of technology right here, these solar power lights, and we need to be grateful that we can get these for such a very low price. I want to tell you, a lot of us here in the United States, we too much want something to do a hell of a lot for us, to serve us in some kind of way, and we really overlook the value in these things that we think are just throwaway items, when really they're the most valuable items that we can come across for such a low price. And we just need to use our minds. So first today, I'm going to make my first experiment with trying to record the sound that this SMD is making, this energy that's being received. I was tracking it with the phone. You know how it does facial identification or object identification? I was tracking it with that earlier, and I was about to get my other phone and get a video, but I guess the SMD got smart and decided to hide itself a little further away. But as I showed you in the other video, how I was pointing the camera at the window, and I was receiving what appeared to be the energy signature at the window, presented on the curtain part of the window. How it was showing up on camera, I could see it better in real life than on the camera, and then the camera could show a different effect. Well, you could see an effect in the camera that you couldn't see in real life, and you could see the laser beam better in real life than you could see the camera on the camera. So what I got here today is my computer. I'm going to take the solar cell, and to block the DC from the solar cell, I'm using a capacitor. It's a 1 microfarad capacitor, 1 microfarad. And I have this plug-in cable. Plug-in cable is going to plug into the microphone input of the computer. I'm going to put it up and listen to the audio, and also do a spectrum bar graph at the same time, so we can see what frequency it is that's showing, and listen to it at the same time. So this experiment is what I'm going to be doing here to actually detect the SMD, because it's still beaming through the window right now. The only thing I've done different with the window now is, alright, I've already showed in the other video how the top part of the window is blocked with a black piece of cardboard paper. Well, I blocked the bottom half with notebook paper. I taped it to the window, and I left about that much that you can see where the light is coming through. I left that much. Now, over a period of about a few weeks, about a month now, a month and a few days, it's been just the top half, and now it's just completely all of it except for the bottom half. And the SMD, I am feeling the effects of it right now at this moment while I'm talking. So it's that bottom half along the left and the right of the phone right there that it's doing what it's doing. You may see the camera come in and out of focus. Whenever you see a camera come in and out of focus, it is being affected by an SMD. I did want to tell that to everyone that wonders why your camera is in and out of focus, and you may feel disoriented or drowsy or sleepy when this happens if it targets you. But occasionally, sometimes, an SMD will accidentally or intentionally, who knows, targets the camera itself and throws it out of focus. This is what happens. I saw something to the very left on the screen, like a little red tiny dot, right about here. If you saw that in the video just now, you know that what I'm telling you is true. It was a tiny red pinpoint laser light dot. At its maximum intensity, when it points in the direction that you're looking at, or the camera, that's what you see. So you're not seeing demons. You're not seeing demons in the dark. If you actually are capable of seeing this SMD, the energy, the laser, what's supposed to be infrared, but some people can see into the infrared a little bit. It's not a demon. It's an electronic drone that's invisible. It targets your eye, pulses the laser at a certain frequency that affects your brain, which causes a induced type of sleeplessness, as if you're sleepy. It's at a certain frequency at about between 6 and 7 hertz, pulsating laser light, and it makes you feel drowsy and sleepy. It puts you in a state of drowsiness and sleepiness. And I think I'm still seeing it. So let me go ahead and finish with this experiment right now, and let me get started right now. Let me just quit talking.
Space Project. Application menu bar with 5 items.